Here we are for another Cool Tool Tuesday. Let's go dig in the box, see what we can't find. Let's have a look at this one. So this is an I.C.I. handy number 3 multi-tool. This is the most complete and handiest tool ever invented for the housewife in the kitchen. It's a tool of over 100 uses. Get ready to hit pause. I'll put an ad right here. Of the uses mentioned, we have a stove lid lifter right here for the wood stove. You just reach in and pick up those round deals so you can put wood in the fire. It has a hook to carry a hot kettle right here. It has a wrench, a wire stretcher. I guess one of those could also be a wire stretcher. It has a screwdriver right there. It has a hammer. Everything's a hammer though. A nail puller. A box opener. I guess you could use that for a box opener because it's a rule and measure. You can see that there. It's all graduated. An ice splitter. Got me on that one. I guess you could hit ice with the screwdriver part of it. A small rod pipe holder. You could hold pipe here or there, I guess. A wire nipper. A hot pan dish carrier. See here, also for square nuts. Even though that wasn't advertised in the advertisement, but anyway. The I.C.I. handy number 3. You see, it's patent pending. I couldn't find a patent date on it or anything like that. Can't find a whole lot of information on these. But if you know more than what I do, please mention in the comments. Thanks for watching.